Hello everyone, today I will briefly introduce our AutoCount TD ordering apps. This is a mobile app specifically designed for salesmen to create orders. Simply put, it allows salesmen to complete all sales tasks directly on their phones when meeting customers outside without needing to return to the company for processing. First, on the dashboard, you can see the sales amount. On the customer screen, you can see detailed customer information. In the stock section, you can see the stock balance and other information. This way, the salesman can clearly grasp the information. The main function is that the salesman can directly create a sales order or cash sales on the phone, and the completed order is directly posted back to AutoCount. This way, there is no need to repeatedly enter data into AutoCount, reducing human errors. If a customer needs to return goods, a credit note can be directly made, and if the salesman receives money on the spot, it can be immediately recorded in the payment.
Another very practical feature is routing and visit.
The company can plan the routes for the salesman each day, so when the salesman reaches the customer's location, they can clock in to record it. This way, the boss can clearly know the situation of all the salesmen. Finally, there is the approval function, where the office staff checks the orders, and only if there are no issues, they approve them, and then AutoCount will receive them.
Finally, there is the settings page, where you can synchronize to fetch the latest data, set the document running number, and other settings.
In our summary, having this app can help the company increase sales, reduce repetitive office work, set the latest stock situation, and speed up invoicing and payment collection.
A more detailed explanation of each function will follow. Thank you everyone.